flat tire on the back. Shit. What the hell did I run over? Damn it. Well, it appears I have a flat tire. Ain't but one thing to do, so I'm gonna have to turn it upside down. Well, they say it's gonna happen sooner or later, and it happened. I'm on about 86 miles, coming up the bike path, nothing nowhere. I didn't see anything on the bike path, the concrete bike path, and the back tire went flat. So now I gotta take it off and fix it. So hopefully I got enough battery in my camera here to do this. I will fast forward it so you don't have to watch it in regular time. But let's see how hard it is and how long it takes me to change or to patch the tube. I forgot to bring a tube, but I do have a patch kit. First thing they tell you to do is turn it upside down. How do you do that? Okay, so I got it upside down, so now I'm going to go to work on it. Get a little closer. I don't care if you see me, I just want you to see the back wheel. Number 18. So we got the number 18, got that off. Now we got a little screw in here that's a Allen wrench. Let's see what they gave me for that. This is the kit that came with the bike. Wow, that Allen wrench fits in there, but it's awful loose. I saved this little piece off the shipping, off the front wheel, that I could use for a little extension bar. So let's see how hard this is. Okay, it's a little loose, but it is turning it. I got the screw out. I got this little piece out that helps hold the wheel in place. I'm gonna put it on my bag. It doesn't appear to have one over there. I got to cut these zip ties and take the motor apart right here. Be very careful not to damage the cable. Then this pulls straight out. Okay, we got it off. That wasn't so bad. Now we got to figure out where the freaking hole is at. I don't see anything in this tire. There's some crud right there, but I don't see nothing sticking in it. Oh, right there it is. Right there it is. It's a nail or something. 2 or 3 things. Let me see. Got my trusty little wheel tire removing tools here. Ooh wee. Wow, that's in there good. I don't have my Leatherman or nothing like that. It's not that hard to get off, but you want to keep track with where the hole's at. It's right there. Now, I don't know if you can see it or not. But it's right there. Ooh. Puncture resistant tires. We'll try to make it go back out the way it came in. Right there, that's the culprit right there. Yeah, went straight through my tire right into the tube. Holy moly. So now I got my trusty little tire patch kit here. It's just a little one. Got one little patch. Got my little sander here to rough up the tube. I think that'll get me home, I'm not sure. It might not. Okay, I don't see no more. I don't hear no more. So now we'll put it back together. Now they show putting the stem in last, but I've been doing bicycle tires and wheels all my life. I've always put the stem in first, so I know that it's lined up properly. You just put the tube back in nice and easy, making sure you don't pinch it. Try not to get the dog poop on your leg that's on the tire. Try not to pinch the tube. And now we're going to pump the tire back up. Okay, got that done. Now we got to put it back together. Okay, now there's only one way this thing will go back in there. And you have to get all these grooves. You have to get all this stuff lined up properly. Like this has a flat side on it, and this has a little notch out on it, and this has to go back through the hole right here where it came out of. Just like that. And plug back in, so you gotta watch the way you take it apart and put it back together the same way. A little keeper. And this thing here has squared a circle with two straight lines that locks in the axle, and then you got to put this screw back where it came from. Okay, I got it back together, but a couple of things real quick. When you put it back together, you got to be very careful right here to make sure the chain is on the sprocket, because if you're not careful, it'll end up over here between the frame and the hub, and then you'll be in a little bit of trouble. Get it up on the sprocket. Make sure it's not down there between that. Okay, now I got to clean up my nasty hands and get this thing on the road and head back to the house, because I done almost missed lunch. I might even miss lunch, I don't know. So now get all my stuff put away here. Don't forget to plug your motor back in. And I've got a couple of zip ties I'll put back on here after I get home. Well, I would have been home already, but I had a flat tire.